Hello students, so in this video we are going to start with our new chapter, that is lines and angles. Okay, we have discussed many of the points in the earlier chapters, before that one we have discussed about Euclid's geometry. Okay, so this is the first video regarding this chapter, so try to watch it and we will discuss with some basic things. As you can see the name of the chapter, lines and angles. So the first thing we are going to discuss about it, what is a line segment? A line segment. Now what is a line segment? A line, see, a line which is having two endpoints. You can see the line which is having two endpoints is what? Line segment. Then what is a ray? See, these are the some basic terms you have already studied in your earlier classes. 6th class में भी हम पढ़ते हैं lines and angles chapter है उधर. Okay, so you all know about these, but still we are going to discuss a little bit. Okay, then what is ray? A ray which is having what? One end point. Ray is what? It is a part of line. देखो सबसे पहले line segment मैंने बता दिया ये है. ray क्या है? Which is having one end point like this. See, one end point. And what is line? A line which is not having an end point like this. It is not having any end point. It is line. See, line segment, ray, line. A slight difference is there, na? It is having both side end point, two end points, one end point, not having any end point. It is a line. Then what? Then the next thing, what is an angle? What is an angle? What is an angle? See, whenever two rays originate from same point, you all know what is point? We have discussed in the last जो क्लास थी हमारी उसमें हमने पॉइंट को डिस्कस किया था यूक्लिड्स वाले में. प्लीज़ ट्राई टू गिव द आंसर व्हाट इज अ पॉइंट इन your comment box. Try to write your answer if you know what is point, define point. Okay, so angle is what? If two ray originate from the same end point, if two rays originate from the same end point, that means what? If we are having this point, okay, and two rays are originating like this, you can see two rays are originating from the same end point. That means what? These are what? These are the angles. This is the angle formed. This is what? The angle formed by two rays. Okay, if two rays originate from the same end point, then we say what? The angle is formed. Okay, and you know what? This point, this end point, when angle is formed, see, these are called the arms of the angle. These are what? These are the arms of the angle. And what this point is called, from where the rays originate, इसको बोला जाता है vertex. What it is called? It is called as vertex. Are you getting? Now we will discuss about a little about types of angles. We will discuss a little about it. Okay, types of angle. Now types of angle, see, if it is less than 90 degree like this, angle is less than 90 degree. If angle is less than 90 degree, then which kind of angle it is? If angle is less than 90 degree, that means it is a acute angle. Acute angle. If angle is greater than, you can see like this, angle is greater than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree, then which kind of angle it is? It is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Some of you must be knowing these terms, पहले से ही पढ़ा हुआ होता है, but still students are having confusion about line segment and line and ray. But still I want you to watch the video for these basic terms. What is less than 90 degree, then acute angle, greater than 90 degree, then obtuse angle. If angle is 90 degree, suppose there is 90 degree angle, okay, then it is a right angle. Then what it is? A right angle. It is a right angle. Then what about the other terms like straight angle? What is a straight angle? See, if it is like this, this one complete angle of 180 degree is there. See, this is complete angle of 180 degree na. So 180 degree angle is there. If then it is a straight angle. And one more type, if we are having a angle like this, देख लो, if we are having a angle like this, then it is a complete angle. You can see complete angle. This is what? A complete angle. This is a complete angle. If we are having a complete whole circle of 360 degree, then it's a complete angle. One more reflex angle is what? If we are having this one, you know, this one is which kind of angle? Acute angle. The outer part, this one, if we subtract this one from 360 degree, देखो ये वाला एंगल अगर 360 डिग्री से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दे तो बाहर वाला बचेगा ना. दैट इज व्हाट? इट इज अ रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. इट इज अ रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. ओके, these are the basic terms. Please try to watch the video for these basic terms. You must know while studying about these angles and all. Okay, now the next point we are going to study is complementary. What is complementary angles? Complementary angles किसको बोला जाता है? Please try to watch the video. हाँ, उसको repeated mode पे देख लो, सब समझ आ जाएगा. The type of things we are discussing in this video, जो भी हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एक बार रिपीटेड मोड पे you can see. Complementary angle, when the sum of two angles is what? 90 degree. If the sum of two angles is 90 डिग्री, अगर दो एंगल्स का सम 90 डिग्री हो ना, दैट मीन्स दे आर व्हाट? दे आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. देखो, अगर एक एंगल ए है, एंगल ए मान लो 30 डिग्री है और एंगल बी जो है वो 60 डिग्री है, दोनों का सम करेंगे, एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी. एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी इज हाउ मच? एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी, यू विल से सर 90 डिग्री. तो इसका मतलब एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी आर विच काइंड ऑफ एंगल? दीज आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. दीज आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. देन द नेक्स्ट थिंग, supplementary angles. So what is supplementary angles? If, see, in the above, if the sum is 90 degree, complementary. If sum is how much? 180 degree. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are what? They are supplementary angles. If sum of two angles, अगर दो angles का sum कितना आ जाए? 180 degree. That means they are supplementary angles. Okay. Then the next term, adjacent angle. What are adjacent? Adjacent sides और adjacent angles. देखो, adjacent का क्या मतलब होता है? Which are neighbors. Adjacent means which are neighbors. अगर देखो मैं ऐसे बनाता हूँ, suppose एक एंगल ये दिख रहा है एंड द अदर वन ये वाला, देख लो, एंगल 1 एंगल 2, इसका मैंने नाम एंगल 1 रखा, 2. तो एंगल 1 और 2 क्या है? साथ में है ना. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? They are which kind of angle? These are angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. These are which kind of angle? Adjacent angles. You must know this kind of things. हाँ, adjacent angles क्या होता है? angle. ठीक है. Then if we move to the next thing is what? Linear pair. So we will discuss about linear pair of angles. We will discuss about what we are going to discuss? Linear pairs. So linear pairs of angle. Linear pairs what? Linear pair of angles is what? Of angles. See, if on a straight line, एक straight line है, देख लो, if on a straight line two angle forms, two or more than two, दो हो सकते हैं या दो से ज़्यादा भी, देख लो, बट दो से ज़्यादा होने पे वो क्या बनाते हैं? वो स्ट्रेट एंगल बोल देते हैं. हम उसको क्या बोल देते हैं? स्ट्रेट एंगल. लेकिन अगर दो ही हों, जैसे ये देखो, अब एक एंगल ये वाला एंगल 1 और एक एंगल 2, एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 का सम करने पे कितना आएगा? एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 2 इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री आएगा ना. तो इस काइंड के एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 2 वेयर दे आर फॉर्मिंग अ सम ऑफ 180 डिग्री, व्हाट वी कॉल देम? They are linear pairs. They are linear pair of angles. What kind of? Linear pairs. Okay. Then vertically opposite. vertically opposite. Now what is the meaning of vertically opposite? See, if two intersecting lines are there, you can see two intersecting lines, देख रहे हो ना? प्लीज़ ट्राई टू वॉच द वीडियो इन रिपीटेड मोड, ठीक है, रिपीटेड करके देख लिया करो, बिकॉज वी आर डिस्कसिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स जस्ट फॉर योर बेनिफिट. इन 9th स्टैंडर्ड ऑलमोस्ट एवरी वन नोज वट इज वर्टिकली लीनियर पेयर, हाँ, बट स्टिल बाय वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो यू विल रिमेंबर, रिकॉल ऑल द थिंग्स. ओके, so vertically opposite, that means if two lines are intersecting at a point, देख लो, two lines, these two lines are intersecting at a point, this angle and this angle, you can see these are opposite to each other. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite. This angle you can see 3 and this angle you can say 4. See, 3 and 4 are also opposite ना, तो ये भी क्या होंगे, इक्वल. एंगल 3 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 4. दीज आर व्हाट, दीज आर वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. ओके, दीज आर फॉर्म्ड बाय इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. जब दो लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं ना, देन वी से दैट दीज आर वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. आर यू गेटिंग? नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट अ थ्योरम, थ्योरम 6.1, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी केयरफुली. ओके, और आई विल सी if possible I'll make a new video. Okay, in this video we will discuss about some more terms on parallel lines. You all know about parallel lines. एक बार इस वीडियो को बहुत ध्यान से देखना, क्योंकि इसमें सब कुछ मैंने डिस्कस किया हुआ है. थ्योरम्स आई विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. पैरेलल लाइंस, द लाइंस विच नेवर इंटरसेक्ट, जो कभी मिल नहीं सकती हैं. द लाइंस विच विल नेवर मीट, हम इनको कितना भी बढ़ा लें कहीं भी, ये कभी नहीं मिलेंगी. लाइक द रेलवे ट्रैक्स, these are what, parallel lines. And a transversal, transversal is what, transversal कौन सी लाइन होती है? देखो, whenever a line intersect two parallel lines, देखो जो दो लाइंस को इंटरसेक्ट करती है ना लाइन, उसको हम क्या बोल देते हैं, ट्रांसवर्सल. ट्रांसवर्सल, देखो ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन इज व्हाट, विच इंटरसेक्ट टू और थ्री, मोर देन थ्री लाइंस, मोर देन टू लाइंस, लाइक दिस, टू और मोर देन टू लाइंस, दिस लाइन इज इंटरसेक्टिंग ना, दैट मीन्स इट इज व्हाट, इट इज अ transversal. It is a transversal. See, A, B and CD. AB parallel to CD. AB and CD are parallel, and this EF. EF is what? EF is a transversal line. It is intersecting both AB and CD. Now see, this transversal line will make some angles. ये transversal line जो है ना, कुछ angles बनाएगी. Now let us see which kind of angle it is making. Angle 1, angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. These are alternate interior angles. You can see these are which kind of angles? Alternate interior angles. I will write alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 4, these are also alternate. Angle 3 and angle 4, these are what? These are also alternate interior angles. Angle 3 equals to angle 4, these are also alternate interior angles. Are you getting? Please try to watch these things very clearly. ठीक है? Then angle 2 and angle 5, you can see angle 2 and angle 5 are what? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Angle 2 and angle 5. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 6 are also corresponding. Angle 2 and angle 5 corresponding. Angle 4 and angle 6 corresponding. Angle 1 and angle 7 again corresponding. Corresponding, I will write it complete. Corresponding. ठीक है? Angle 2 and angle 5. Okay, angle 4 and angle 6, angle 1 and angle 7, angle 1 and angle 7, and angle 3 and angle 8. Angle 3 and angle 8. All these are what? Corresponding angles. All these are what? Corresponding angles. Now, alternate exterior angles. अल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर भी हो सकता है ना भाई, इंटीरियर से है तो एक्सटीरियर क्यों नहीं होगा? तो अल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर में देखो, angle 6, you can see this angle 6 and angle 8, these are what? Alternate exterior. Angle 6 and angle 8, angle 7 and angle 5, these are alternate exterior. Okay, then interior angle on the same side, interior angle on the same side of transversal. देखो ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन थी, इसके सेम साइड में एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 2, इनका सम जो होता है ना 180 डिग्री होता है. इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ अ ट्रांसवर्सल, इनका सम कितना होता है 180. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दिस फर्दर इन आवर न्यू वीडियो, हम वहाँ पे भी डिस्कस करेंगे. बट ट्राई टू वॉच द वीडियो केयरफुली, इस वीडियो को पूरा देखो एंड ट्राई टू ग्रैब वट एवर यू कैन ग्रैब फ्रॉम दिस. आई होप मीन्स मोस्ट ऑफ द डाउट्स यू कैन क्लियर फ्रॉम हियर. बहुत सारे डाउट्स यहाँ से क्लियर हो जाएंगे एंड यू विल लर्न समथिंग यू विल रिकॉल. Learning, you know, you have learned all these things in 6th standard, but you will recall some things from here.